My dear children, in this fourth module, we are going to study the term commercial paper. Commercial paper is an important credit instrument of the company. Commercial paper emerged as a source of short-term finance in our country. Then commercial paper is an unsecured promissory note issued by the firm to raise funds for a short period of time. The short period of time varying from 90 days to 364 days. This commercial paper is issued by one firm to another firm. It may be insurance company, then pension funds and banks, etc. The amount raised by commercial paper is generally very large. As the debt is totally unsecured, the firms having good credit rating can issue the commercial paper. Its regulation comes under the purview of the Reserve Bank of India. Now we are going to study the important merits of commercial paper. The important merits of commercial paper are: first one, a commercial paper is sold on an unsecured basis and does not contain any restrictive conditions. As it is a freely transferable instrument, it has high liquidity. Commercial paper is a freely transferable, negotiable instrument. It is an unsecured promissory note. Commercial paper provides more funds compared to other sources. The other sources are trade credit, factoring, lease financing, shares, debentures, loan from banks and financial institutions, etc. Generally, the cost of commercial paper is to issuing firm is lower than the cost of commercial bank loans. A commercial paper provides a continuous source of funds. This is because their maturity can be tailored to suit the requirements of the issuing firm. Further, maturing commercial paper can be repaid by selling new commercial paper. The another merit of issuing commercial paper is that the commercial paper can park their excess funds in commercial paper, thereby earning some good return on the same. Next, we are going to study the important demerits of issuing commercial paper. The first demerit of issuing commercial paper is that the only financially sound and highly rated firms can raise money through commercial papers. New and moderately rated firms are not in a position to raise funds by this method. The second point is the size of the money that can be raised through commercial paper is limited to the excess liquidity available with the suppliers of the funds at a particular time. And the third one is commercial paper is an impersonal method of financing. As such, if a firm is not in a position to redeem its paper due to financial difficulties, extending the maturity of a commercial paper is not possible. These are the important demerits of commercial paper. Commercial paper is a money market security issued or sold by large corporations to obtain the funds to meet short-term debts obligations. And it is backed only by an issuing bank or company promised to pay face amount of the maturity date specified on the note. Note means promissory note, because commercial paper is a unsecured promissory note. Thank you. Commercial paper is a money market security issued or sold by large corporations to obtain the funds to meet short-term debts obligations. And it is backed only by an issuing bank or company promised to pay face amount of the maturity date specified on the note. Note means promissory note, because commercial paper is a unsecured promissory note. Thank you.